I'm at the Dioro Cafe at the M Park branch, and I'm gonna get some drinks in there. So let's see how it goes. Here's my journey at Dioro. I just did order the strawberry mixed yogurt, and this is what I got. Yeah, and let's see how it tastes like. It's actually freshen up. I really like it. Recommend. I'm always wondering how the information system at Dioro actually works, and if you're interested in, let's see our presentation then. Bye.
Since Tan-yong is curious about how the Dioro system works, today we're going to be showing you guys our result of our reverse engineering project. But before we get into the details, let's have a quick look at the overview of Dioro a little bit. Dioro is a Thai coffee shop founded in 1999, and they offer various products and services. The product that they offer can be grouped into 4 main categories. The first group are beverages such as coffee, tea, smoothie, and chocolate. The second groups are bakeries such as cake and sandwiches. The third groups are meals such as toast and panini. And last but not least, Dioro also offer merchandising products such as coffee blends so that their customers can enjoy quality coffee at home, and also limited edition mugs to add to their customers' collection. And for the services, they have caterings and snack boxes for meeting and seminar, just like what we had on our on-site class. And the brand positioning of Dioro is to be premium economy coffee, which means that their aim is to provide quality coffee with reasonable prices, good environment, and a friendly service toward customers that can be easily accessed every day. As a result, Dioro designed every single shop to meet the different needs of different type of customers with the concept of friendly, passionate, and optimistic.
Dioro currently has 130 shops all over the country, including office building, school, hospital, and much more to reach out to every target group of customer. Dioro has always valued customer relationships. Dioro is the first coffee brand in Thailand to invest greatly into CRM system and link all customer data into centralized system. There are approximately 500,000 to 600,000 customers data, with 200,000 data are being active customers. As the time passes, Dioro keeps reviewing their branding position in order to make sure the business moves fast with a great impact. One of the most prominent changes is the use of technology to gain competitive advantages, maximize profit, improve efficiency, and stay relevant. So next, we'll be looking into the information system. The ecosystem of Dioro system is quite complex since it can be divided into 4 types of flows, which are the goods and services, money and credits, information, and intangible value. With these flows, Dioro could communicate with each of its stakeholders with different types of information in each flow. However, their stakeholders could be separated into external and internal stakeholders.
So now we'll be looking into Dioro information system. Their point of sale system helps Dioro manage sales and order generated from each branch. It lets Dioro track pricing accuracy, inventory changes, gross revenue, and sales patterns. These information are then shared across Dioro's information system for different purposes, ranging from simple transactions, records, to cross-sale and customer data analysis. POS system also helps Dioro manage the stock level of each branch. When it is integrated with other components, POS makes real-time inventory management of all Dioro branches as soon as possible. And this helps Dioro top manager plan and manage stock levels more accurately. Moreover, POS records customer data automatically in every transaction. This is considered a very valuable asset for Dioro in order to upsell and do cross-marketing and analyze customer behavior. The ERP system of Dioro is the integration of the three companies, including Dioro Coffee, BPP Coffee, and Kara Bakery, so that the same information can be flowed easily to every company. ERP system Dioro precisely manage and reduce errors. All companies to check if they are producing the right amount to what is needed for each branch or not. And the CRM system helps Dioro connect with their customers and potential customers. A CRM tool lets Dioro store customer information, identify sales opportunities, record service issues, and manage marketing campaigns, all in one central location. These informations are then used by different Dioro teams, marketing, campaign, product R&D. As a result, there will be more personalized promotion and product and event services improved for the customers. By understanding your customers better, cross-selling, upselling opportunities become clear, giving you the chance to win new business from existing customers. With better information, you will also be able to keep your customers happy with better service. Happy customers are likely to become repeat customers, and repeat customers spend more.
Moving on to system diagram. So Dioro information system is divided into three parts: ERP, POS, and CRM. We're gonna first look at the production component. Since branches inventory level are automatically uploaded to the central ERP system, the summary of the amount of production needed for each branches will be sent to production component to plan the production order. Before going to production, the planned purchase order will be sent out to financial component to approve the cost of production. After approval, the production order will be carried to the production control of the factory for production. The finished goods are sent to keep in the warehouse inventory. The plan transfer will plan on the amount of finished goods and how they will be delivered to each of the branches. Next, POS component. POS will record all transactions. After a customer purchases anything at Dioro, sale receipt will be generated. This sale receipt will be sent to account and finance component to update each branch's inventory status and revenue. Sale information according to sale order of each branches will be kept in the customer data management for further analysis. Next, account and finance component. After sales are made, a customer invoice generated from POS will be sent here as transaction evidence to update Dioro revenue. Production costs got reviewed and approved here. Accounts and finance also determine actual budget, which is the amount of money that the business is allowed to actually pay to the creditor, and encumbrance budget, which is the amount of money that the business is allowed to make a purchase. Lastly, CRM component. Different departments can share customer data remotely, hence enhancing teamwork and working efficiency because different business departments are linked together. Also, this information includes important information such as birthday, visit rate, spending per visit. This data will be used to analyze each customer loyalty level and to create personalized marketing for each customer.
Next, let's look at our ERP system demo. Our team select the Doliba as our ERP system. From conducting research on many ERP system vendors, Doliba is the most suitable one. It has lots of advantages that outweigh other vendors. However, still has some disadvantages that could be developed in the future. Doliba is a free open source software with the support of customization. However, can be easily integrated with any software without any customization. It is also user-friendly, easy to use and upgrade, with a lot of partners and providers that support Doliba's users. Last but not least, it gained a lot of trust from its users. On the other hand, there are still problems with the language barrier in which it is difficult to modify code to support a certain country constraint. It also doesn't support the mobile application and can be used to manage only one company at a time. There are many ways to install Doliba, including installation on-premise, on a virtualized web hosting provider, and on a ASSA or cloud web hosting provider. Another alternative to install Doliba is using non-official packages provided by the third-party companies like Bitnami, which is used by our group. In Doliba, there are 54 modules available for us to choose from, but for our ERP system, we decided to use these following 7 modules. First, user and groups. Second, third parties. Third, sales orders. Fourth, products. Fifth, services. Sixth, stock bills of material. And 7, invoice. The blue circle are the main module in which each module is located. In order to navigate through the ERP system, the different modules have been grouped into the categories. The navigation bar at the top of the application is for accessing the different categories as shown in the picture. And let's see how different categories group the modules together and what we have implemented for each module.
So the first category is the third parties, which includes the third parties module. It shows the summary of the third parties that we've added. The circle graph here shows the summary, and the right part shows an example of the third parties that we've added. And we will have the second category, which is the product and services category. It includes the product modules and the service modules. Similar to the previous module, the circle graph shows the summary and the right part shows an example of the product that we've added. And when we would like to add new products, we need to fill out the details of the product information. The third category is the MRP, which includes the stock of bill of material modules. When we navigate to MRP page, the summary of bill of material is shown as the above picture. And when we click on one of the lists, the description of the bill of material is shown as in the below picture.
Next, the fourth category is commerce, which includes sales order modules. It enables us to see the summary page about customer buying and selling activities. And on the left picture, under the sales order tab, we can create, edit, and delete customers' orders, while on the right picture, under the notes tab, we can see the activity logs of the customers. And next, the fifth category is billing payments, which includes invoice module. In the above picture, for example, ISE Chula is the oral customer. Then the invoice is assigned to ISE Chula to make payment for using the oral service. And below picture show the list of customer invoice. Lastly, the last category is users groups, which includes users and groups module. The users and group module is under the home page. It enables us to add group users and give permission to the user accordingly. The above picture shows a summary of the user in the ERP and the system, and the below picture shows the information required when we would like to add new users. And so what we have learned from the project, the goal of the project is to reverse engineering the receipt of the enterprise to obtain its information system. And in order to do so, we have gone through multiple tasks, starting from extracting data from the receipts, learn more about the company, and find the entities that are related to the enterprise. And to understand how reverse engineering works, we also learn about various ERP SCM packages, including understanding each package features, advantages, and disadvantages. The research helped us to construct a better representation of the enterprise, the use case diagram, the ER diagram of the enterprise, and finally, we learned to try and build the enterprise ERP SCM system by ourselves. And so that's all for our presentation. So anyone have questions you would like to ask?